Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in Creo Parametric. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. While modeling this, I'm going to split this part into two. One is this feature and this feature. First I will finish this feature, then I will go with this feature. So to model this component, first open Creo Parametric, new, part, solid, provide a name and tick this use default template, save OK. Here our units are in mm, so mm, Newton, solid, part, solid, absolute. Switch on all the planes. I'm just taking the, first go to the sketch view. For easy modeling, I'm just keeping the software right side and sketch in the left side to see the dimensions parallelly. Here you can see that the total length is 80 and total width is 42. First I am going to model one of this much. So I'm just taking the top plane, sketch view, take the rectangle, make it symmetric, here also make it symmetric. Now this length is 80 minus 24 because first I am going to model up to these features. So 80 minus 24, press enter, and the height is, and the width is 42. Here you can see 42 and this length I have taken. Just save OK. Just extrude. Make it symmetric. The total height is 38. Press enter. Save OK. Now we have created this. Up to this we have created a cube. Now we will start removing the materials. First remove this material. Select this top surface. Sketch view. Put the center line. Take a multiple lines from here, somewhere here. These two lines has to be deleted. Just take a line like this. This way sketch is there. Now this height is, here you can see 20 plus the radius 13. This one is 33 and this height, this width, and this height is 11. The dimension, this one is 11 and this one you make it symmetric. And this height, this height also be a 20. These two are equal length. Go to the, these are already symmetric, so it's made equal. Now just say OK. Here you can see the sketch is not closed. Make the sketch closed. Save OK. Extrude, change the direction. The total extrusion is total 38 minus 5. 38 minus 5. Then you will be having a thickness of 5 mm here. Just say OK. Then we just want to create a round with the radius of 23. So take the round, click this edge. This radius is 23. Just say OK, and this edge radius is 16. Again go to the round, this edge with the radius of 16. Just say OK. Here we should not make any rounds, and here we just want to make some couple of rounds. round here this edge and this edge, which is having a radius of 13. Just press the roller to confirm. Now we have created this feature, then we'll add these features. Just select this bottom surface, sketch view, take the rectangle, this from here to here, click like this. This length is 24. Just say OK, extrude, change the direction, total extrusion length is 38. Say OK. Now we got this. Then we just want to remove material here with a slot with a 22 mm length and 8 mm width. Select the surface, sketch view, take the reference, this edge and this edge, then close it, take the rectangle, put the rectangle, make this rectangle symmetric. Now this height is 8 mm and this width is 22. Just say OK, extrude, change the direction, make it to do next, material removal, say OK. Then we just want to remove a hole here. We just want to make a hole here with a diameter of 15. Select the surface, sketch view, put the circle randomly here, specify the diameter which is 15, and from this edge to this center is 15, and from this edge to this center is 24. From this edge to this center is 24 and diameter is 15. Just say OK, extrude, change the direction to next, material removal, say OK. Now we have created a hole here. Then we just want to create one more hole which is here. Just select the surface, sketch view, take the circle, just put the circle randomly. Now the height, first you say the diameter of the circle is 9 and from this edge to the center is 10 mm, from here to here which is 10, and the height is 6 mm. Just say OK, extrude, change the direction to next, material removal, say OK. Now we have done all the feature of this component. Just edges, hide all the planes, make it to standard orientation. Now we have finished this model. Just rotate, is there any feature is missing? All the features are done. So in this way we can create this component. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.